Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to show you how to make and create these denim bamboo earrings. If this is something that you would like to see, please stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a wrapping. We're going to be I'm gonna say deniming up the bamboo earring, okay? And I actually did some round earrings that I created. I'm gonna actually do a video also on those, but today I'm gonna show y'all how to wrap these, okay? Now I've been seeing, of course I know y'all have seen millions and millions of people wrap these bamboo earrings using African print fabric. I'm going to be doing it in denim. And what the design that I'm going to show y'all how to make it's not a design, it's actually just the way that the denim is going to be fraying. Now I want to tell you a little about this denim now, but let me tell you the items that you're going to need. These bamboo earrings you can get from any local beauty supply store. If you want to sell these, my suggestion to you would be make sure you get a pair that's a good brand, okay? These from the that you get from your local beauty supply store, the quality is not as good, okay? But if you want to sell these to people, you got to make sure it's good quality. I'm just basically showing you how to make and create a different type of earring using this, okay? So you want to cut your fabric about 1/2 inch thick, and I'm going to be using denim. Now this type of denim that I'm using, if you look at it, it's like shiny, and it's because it's made of different type of fibers. I mean different type of fabrics. You got some cotton in there, you got a little bit of everything in there, okay? And that's what's going to help my earrings fray. Once I go along and I'm moving it, it's going to start fraying. So you're going to need your denim, you're going to need some scissors, and you're also going to need your hot glue gun. Now, whenever I do this, I never use my hot glue gun in between when I'm wrapping, okay? I always glue it in the beginning and then I glue it at the end, but I'm going to show you today. These are large. Like these are about 3 by 3, or no, they actually bigger than that. These are about 3.5 by 3.5. These are big. Okay, I'm going to say 3.5 by 3.5 just looking at them. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your fabric and you want to come around to this side of your earring and you want to put a little glue, because what I'm trying to do is I want to make sure that my ends are completely submerged in my fabric. So I'm going to take and come about right here, and I'm going to bring this piece kind of around like this, okay, to start my earring, because when you wrap these, you want the whole thing to be covered. You don't want anyone to be able to see the gold, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start wrapping these. So, all right, so now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pull this as tight as I can get it, just like this, okay? And then I'm going to start wrapping, all right? See how that covers the whole thing? You don't have any gold showing. All right, now that's the key. So the next thing you want to do is you want to take off from here. You want to go ahead and start wrapping. So you want to pull it as tight as you can get it, because you still want the shape of your earring to be shown. You want all of that to be shown, the outline of it to be shown. And the reason why you want to go with a nice size piece of fabric is so that it can be covered, so that one of these can be covered, okay? See how I'm pulling that? Okay, and you want to continue to just work it as you're moving. Okay, you just pull it, go in. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Friday. All praises go to the Most High for allowing us to see another wonderful day. And as you can see, and this is the start of the earring. All right, so I'm just going to continue to work this just like this, pulling it. I'm kind of working from the opposite side of my earring, just like that. And then see, you can have these earrings done in a matter of minutes. They don't take long at all to change up the look. And as you go along with your fabric and you're moving it, see how it's fraying? It's going to fray more. Now, what I do want to say to you all is that, like I said, this is a blended fabric. So if you use regular denim will fray as well, okay? You don't really have to do too much to regular denim to get it to fray. But this is a, see that? And you just want to continue to wrap. And every time you wrap, you pull it to make it nice and tight so that you can get your shape. Okay, you see that? That's what you do. And you want to continue to wrap. Now, when you get to the end of the earring, it may become a little tricky, but that's okay because it's all good. And the only reason why I say that is because sometimes when you get to the end of something that you're wrapping, see that? I'm gonna move this up. When you get down to this end here, that's why I say it can become a little tricky. So you want to continue to wrap. And if you hear some wind blowing, that's my heat that just came on. All right. We're going to continue to wrap. And when we get down to this little end right here, you just want to go around like this. Okay. You want to come over. You want to try to come over. Okay, let me show you again. This end right here, you want to try to hold that as tight as you can get it, but you want to come over. Make sure that you're not covering up this because you need that latch. That's your latch for this. So make sure you're not covering that up. Make sure you bring it over like this. Bring it up and bring it over. Okay? And then when you get over on this side here, you want to add a little bit of glue. Just a little. Put a little bit of glue right there. Okay, stretch it out, and then just bring that up like this. Okay. All right. And that part is covered. And then what you can do, if it's still showing, because it's a little bit still showing, you come right here with your glue gun, put a little bit in there, and you just squeeze it like this, and that will seal that part right there, okay? And this is still open. You just got to make sure that this is open, your latch part is open, okay? And then I'm just going to cut this off right here, and I'm going to cut this part right here. And it took a matter of just a few minutes. Now, if you want to, you can put a little bit of glue right there on the side to completely seal it all the way. But these earrings are not heavy because you don't want them to be heavy. You want them to be light. For one, the reason why I say that is because they are big, okay? They're 3.5 by 3.5. You don't want them to be heavy on your ears. Okay, and there you have it. So you have that pair and you have this pair here. So with that being said, I hope that this DIY was very, very helpful. And if this is your very first time here coming to this platform, I greatly appreciate it. If you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And I want to thank you all for watching. And I want to say thank you to my super, super supporters. I greatly appreciate y'all watching, listening, and also writing a comment, okay? So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful and awesome weekend. Happy crafting, and until the next one, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.